I'm doing a quick market review of Friday, February 17th. It was a tough day. I did lose some pips here, but I chalk up a ton of experience. Really starting to hone in on this support resistance with trend lines, and was just struggling to get the timing right here, and just kind of kept pounding away. And so let's take a look at some of this analysis again. I set up a low of Tokyo to the high. See how it does a fake out to the bottom, and it just keeps respecting these levels. It's magic. Look at that. So when you see this start a trend to the bottom and it comes all the way up into here, you sell it. You're going to take profit here, and you would have been out. Came back, broke. You'd be out at even, right? Fine. So when it comes back here, if you bought it here, you've got to wait and hide behind this cluster, which I didn't. Got a little bit panicked here and shut it down, and sure enough, look at that, it just pulled a few more pips and then went my way. So horrible entry here. It poked above hard. I got sucked into a buy, had to wait for this to pull all the way back and then punch, so I pulled some good pips there. And then look, so the key is it pokes ahead, comes down, when it breaks, retest, here's your buy. And look at, you take profit anywhere in this area, because this is previous highs, right? Can't go any higher, and it's fine. Then all of a sudden it breaks. So I'm like, okay, it's an uptrend. It's at Tokyo's high. I'll buy it. Just nailed this buy, perfect, and squeezed this out. It was great for the day. So another, 19, 20, 13, lost 10, 12, 12 here. Picked up 24, 22, 23 there. So, not bad on the euro. Let's take a look down here at the pound. Okay, same thing. Look, it sets up a low, sets up a high, can't go down, breaks, can't go down, breaks, and it goes right back up. Look where it stops, dead at this 58.13 grid in the high of Tokyo. Doesn't exchange, powers up to here, comes back, it starts to break, so I sold it, and then took my profits. When it came back up here, I tried to sell it again, and I don't know why I didn't just hang on here, or I should have got in here. I don't know. That was confusing. Took a small loss, and then it just dropped a mile. So again, I was learning this timing. I was a little bit backwards, but again, look at how it chops at this grid, goes to the next grid, can't go higher, breaks down, does a retest. There's your sell right there. Down it goes to the grid, breaks to the grid, and it does a retest. Here's another sell, right? Pokes through, plunges, does a retest, take profit at the grid, and if it fails, guess what? It's going up, breaks up, boom, there's your buy, up you go. Take profit at the line. Amazing. Gosh, do that all day long. So I got beat up on this one, notice. It sets up a high to low here and comes back, hovers, breaks through, stops. I mean, this is bad right here. This is a mess, right? Tries to go down, tries to go up, goes down. I got caught right here. I did a sell, and I guess that's a little bit early. I should have waited for this trend line. See, right in here. I could have sold it at this line around this cluster and held on and would have been profitable. I got whipsawed in here between a buy and a sell, and I didn't know which way it was going, and it was confusing. Came down here, thought it's going down. Horrible entry, got wiped out. And then I flipped this to a sell, finally got my brain together, did a sell and pulled off 10, 10, and 3 here at the end of the day. So I just got on the wrong side there. And so here's the CAD, sets up a high, sets up a low. Look at this, tries to break, winds up, bam, it breaks down. No idea why. I sold it here and didn't take profits for all this. I'm confused. I don't understand. I should have been taking it off right here. Actually, I should have let this go, and I should have been selling it here, taking profit here instead of selling it here, not taking any profits. See, this is another big lesson I learned here. Look at these windups. I mean, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 15-minute candles, no direction. And this wicked up high, just forecasts, I'm going up, pulls back, boom, and exploded, just wiped out. So I should have been out here. This sell, I should have been out in here, and I should have been flipping this to a buy. Big lessons learned there. And then let's see, Aussie dollar, US dollar. Again, my timing is off. I shouldn't have been selling it here. See how it's up, sets it behind a low, high, comes back, buy it here, fails, comes back up, close it out, let it break down, come back up, sell it here at this grid, anywhere in here, and then down it goes. I just got wrapped up in here. I didn't lose a lot, but I sure didn't make anything. And then the last trade, again, I just, you'll sometimes you look at this stuff, you go, what the heck am I doing? I don't understand why I would close this. The entry's not bad. It's going along, tries to go up, it can't. It breaks down, does a bounce, comes right back to this area, and it fails, so it's going to break up. Well, I bought it on the break. I just don't know why there must have been news or something coming in at 7 a.m. that I got nervous here before this session when I really shouldn't have, because look at that, it just powered my way. So great lessons learned. Learn from my mistakes. Again, welcome to all the new Fast Track Trader people. Hope this helps you. See you tomorrow.